Bill, I guess that's what heroes.
So it's McGrath from the river end. Really on strike for the first time this summer. Oh, he's got it away. Good cricket. Well, what a good start. You're facing McGrath for the first time. You need 15 off the over. You take a chance.
There it goes, and he's done it again. Right off the middle. Amazing, the consistency. And we're right behind it here, and it went directly over Cameron Akmal's head.
The amazing, Chappell, is that he connects every time he tries it. He's got a 100% record on the shot. Just played it with ease.
Tension, tension, ding 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 ding. Chaka hoy hoy, bongala ya galo koi. Chaka hoy hoy, bongala ya galo koi. Chaka hoy hoy, bongala ya galo koi. Chaka.
Did it really matter to this man? I don't think so.
A lot of his defensive strokes with a bit more forward movement. That's awesome. That's one for the photographers and one for our memory. Because he was getting out of the way of that at first. Well, the limbo cut. Arching back and has enough presence of mind. Oh, I'll get the bat on this. That has come right.